Eva Trades.
Hello and welcome to the Risk Management Simulator series. What the heck? I don't even know. I'm just gonna go look at some charts. Oh my god. Day trading is risky, but I don't know what's going on behind me, so all bets are off. Welcome to Eva Trades. It is a simulator day of November 14th, a Monday in the simulator. And let's take a look at the progress. First thing, I'm up $422 in 15 days after some pretty significant pullback. Look at the rules. Daily max loss is $400. So if I hit that mark, I'm done. I can't take more than 4 positions to start the day. If I hit my daily goal of $200, I can choose to keep trading. If I hit my daily goal and give back half, then I'm done. I can't take more positions than my max loss would allow for. So them are the rules. Those, them, they are the rules. And I like to verbally announce them every morning because it helps set them into my mind and helps me remember. So here we go, looking at the charts. It is a simulated day, so I'm going to push play. November 14th, we have 5 minutes to go till the market opens. And starting out with PDSB, the leading stock on the gap scan this morning, it's a tightening range. And we can look at the hourly time frame up here. We have an inside bar. So 15-minute high of the move. You could call that a higher, the low of the pullback, a lower high, double bottom, lower high. Maybe that's a lower high, or higher low, rather. But let's look at that in the 5-minute time frame. And it is basing, you know, so bulls want that to be the higher low. But bottom line, tightening range, and we're going to be breaking sooner rather than later. That $7 level, pretty important. I'll leave those 2 lines there. So pulling back on the 5-minute, I would say anything above 676 on this pullback is a higher low. Bulls looking for that higher low to be set right here and see a move back up through $7 for a higher high. TBLT, nice move up, consolidation, bear flag, kind of extended bear flag for the moment on the 5-minute time frame. The bulls would like to negate that bear flag by breaking over 264 and seeing some follow through. High of pre-market is 280. Bulls want to hold 256 on a pullback, and we don't have much room to work with there. So looking for a 1-minute trend change with a higher low and a higher high, or a breakthrough and then a pullback and then a higher high. And look at BEKE had a nice consolidation here on the 5-minute time frame, the tightening range, equilibrium, and then we broke it. Broke bear first, then turned around and broke bullish. Let's look at that on the 15-minute right here. Might have to zoom in like this to really get a good bird's eye view of that. You can see here where it was a tightening range. Bear break, bull break, with lots of follow through. Volume's okay. Should pick up once the market opens. ATAT. Bulls got that higher high on the 5-minute. Anything above 1430 is a higher low. We're looking at equilibrium territory here. The high of day of pre-market is 1638. So bulls want to bounce from here. Anything below 1638 is a lower high. We'd like to see the bulls push the price up to that $16 level, pull back, form a higher low, and then break through the high for a nice move up to the upside. But right now, I wouldn't hold my breath. We have an inside bar on the 15-minute time frame and an hourly candle that doesn't look too good. but it's only halfway through. That could certainly change. Looking for signs that this 5-minute pullback just looking at the time, looking for signs that this 5-minute pullback is set with a higher low and a higher high on the 1-minute time frame. Right now, equilibrium territory on the 1-minute time frame as well. So pull back more than we wanted to see. AMC, they're stepping up, 15-minute higher lows and higher highs. Right now consolidating a little bit sideways. Bulls tried to break 813. They broke but didn't hold. So hoping to hold support here. We do have a small higher low at 799. So bulls would like to hold that. You see that on the 1-minute time frame. We'll see if we hold 8. If we bounce from here, anything below 817 is a lower high. And the bears could certainly get a lower high and lower low here. Or we could just break straight through like that. So breaking that support on the 1-minute. Testing 796, and there we go, breaking through. We have the VWAP down here. We also have a pivot right here at 789. There's also that pivot up there, but we already kind of back tested that. See if the bulls hold 796. We broke it by a couple pennies. Market is open. Back over here to the main screen. Checking my stop loss parameters, making sure I am good. So 20 seconds till the market opens. See if TBLT, looking for a lower high on TBLT. I'm going to buy a dip on it right there. I'm also getting into BEKE here. BEKE already breaking. Selling half on BEKE. Selling the rest there. And I'm out over here on TBLT for a small $10 win. I'm in AMC over here. The trade happened so quick I wasn't able to record it. 275 bucks. We broke out here on AMC, and as we pulled back into this $8 level, I added 3 times. It's shot up and I sold it. 275 bucks. Bam, just like that. So looking for a lower high on TBLT on that 5 minutes. We'll see if this is the top right here. Back in AMC over here. And there we go. Selling right there. Making bank on AMC. That was the one that got me 2 days ago and forced me to quit early. I'm going to widen my stop loss out now on it because these candle ranges are pretty huge. Looking for the pullback. There's a pullback. And we have a new not a new 5-minute candle. I thought we did for a second. I'm going to let AMC consolidate a little bit. Over here on TBLT, I'm looking for that higher low and higher high. We have a high of day up here, and this is our pullback here to that pivot. I'm going to go ahead and jump in that, looking for the break through the high. See if we can hold up. I'm going to sell half of it. Yeah, I'm going to get out the rest there. I'm in AMC over here, but I just took a small loss on it because of the size of the pullback. I'd gotten in a little too high. We'll see if she can break here. Got a new 5-minute candle coming up, so I'm going to exit it for that break even. Just because of that new 5-minute candle. And I wasn't interested in TBLT over here as far as holding it. It was breaking out over 276 and it pulled back for a second. I thought, well, maybe I'll get in, but then I reminded myself that no, I'm looking for a lower high here below 280 and a pullback. So I didn't get in it, and I'm glad because it dropped. I'm up about 500 bucks on the day. So I don't want to start giving back a bunch of profit, but I am looking for that equilibrium on TBLT with a high, low, lower high, looking for a higher low. There's a pullback, but I want to see maybe a little more on a pullback. I'll watch it here for a second. I'm only going to get in once. Well, that might be as far back as it comes. I'm going to try him there. Take my starter on him there and move my stop loss up kind of tight, and I'm risking $40. I wanted to take a trade here on PDSB, but I'm just not convinced yet that that's a good thing. Trading below the VWAP. Yeah, I'm going to wait on it. Go ahead and take my profit there because we're coming up against the VWAP on TBLT. Only made 30 bucks on that trade. Look at AMC over here. Really glad I'm not like holding a position on it. I wouldn't do that, of course. That's why I use stop losses to keep myself from getting caught in moves like that. So ATAT, I'm giving it up, as is AMC. What else is giving it up over here? BEKE also giving it up. PDSB moving higher. I'm looking at that 15-minute time frame. We have that equilibrium, the high, low, lower, high, double bottom, lower, high, triple bottom. Well, this one might be worth getting into. I will take a starter on it there. Now, let's see if we get a move. There's a move. Sell for partial. See if it's going to hold up. Or are we going to drop? I already booked some profit, so if it drops, it won't be a huge loss. Yeah, it's failing for the moment, but okay, so there, maybe we see a pullback like that and I'll buy it. No, okay. Yeah, that's it. I think that's probably going to do it for me today. Things are dropping now, and I don't like the way things are dropping. But let's see where I'm at on the day first. So basically, I've got minus 160 and plus 160, so those cancel. 332 over here, 70 there. So yeah, you know, I'm up 402 bucks on the day. So that's where I'm going to stop. That's a pretty good day. I think I'm done. Nice and short and simple. That's the way we like to do it. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something from this, and we'll see you in the next one. Have a good day. And watch out for those dancing unicorns. You never know when they're going to sneak up on you.